Hi, welcome back. In this session, we are going to do cfdev start. In the last session, it failed because of the memory issue. I had 8 GB, and now I'm upgraded my memory of my laptop from 8 GB to 12 GB. So I added 4 GB more. So let us start on it. So go to PowerShell in admin mode, run as administrator, yes, and then cfdev start. Okay, cfdev start. Alright, let's see how it goes now. Alright, the progress is 0% right now, but it is going to start soon. Progress, it says 100%. What does it mean? Like it is setting the status, and I have to watch the memory. I think it will take about 60 gigs. $119 right now. We'll keep side by side. And then I will keep refreshing it. 117. Alright, let's see again. 117 it was, now it is 113. Let's see again, refresh. 110. $106. $104. I also need to keep an eye on the memory. $11 GB available. Oh, sorry, available is 4.8 gigs and 6.8 is used. So total is 12. So creating the VM. cfdev requires about 8 GB of RAM to run. This machine may not have enough memory of RAM. Let's see again. This looks to be a standard message, but I hope it does not cause any problem now. Let's see. Let's keep the hope alive. Creating the VM. Starting VPN kit. Starting the VM. How about the memory? Hard disk. Oh, it failed. Failed to start a forward command. Unable to allocate GB of RAM, insufficient system resource exists to complete the requested service. How? Unable to allocate 8 GB of RAM, insufficient system resource exists to complete the service. Okay, it could be that I have more services which are running in the background, which let me check. We don't know how much these services take the memory, but if there are a lot of services, we need to stop. I don't know what is bonjour. Let me pause the video for a while. I will come back again.